So Sephora sale is starting on November 5 for Rouge members. Is that how you say it? Rouge? Rouge? I have no idea. I'm going to show you what I recommend and then what I have in my bag. Let's start with this little gadget. I actually bought this during a Sephora sale, during the last Sephora sale. It has now like a weird stain, so maybe don't get it in white. I always get things in black, so it's like, let me just get something that's not black for once. So I'm gonna insert some really gross footage. I was debating whether I should put this on the internet or not, but to be honest, if you don't see it in like action, you probably wouldn't spend money on this. I enjoy this so much for the blackheads around the nose. It really is the only thing that works for me. As you can tell, a lot of oil accumulates in your pores, but especially around the nose area. That's why we get blackheads. To use it, your skin should be damp. People think it looks really like scrapey and hard. It does feel like a metal gliding through your nose, but it's not like a sharp metal. You can use it all around your face, not just for your nose. They also recommend you using it on your neck. I don't use it on my neck. I don't really feel like I need it. So yeah, it's pretty impressive to see what really comes out of your nose and your face after it. I enjoy it. So I don't have this product here with me, but I am going to get it because I used to use it so much and I decided to just try other things. This Tower 28 product is the SOS Spray, I think it's called. And it seems like it's just water. Like you're just spraying water in your face, but it's not. I really noticed the effects a lot more when I stopped using it. I started feeling my face just really dry and a lot more peely. I started peeling a lot all over my face, and I didn't notice that was the case so much when I was using the spray. It's a really good toner for after you just washed your face and you want to hydrate it. It really helps your skin feel calm. So I really do think it's great for any skin problem that you might have. The star ingredient here is it's a hypochlorous acid because it supports and nurtures your body to diminish the appearance of redness and bad bacteria. So I guess that's why it really works for acne, because you don't really want bacteria to be clogged in your pores with your sebum. So they also claim that surgeons use that ingredient for after surgery. Apparently it's just really good for your skin. So I'm gonna get this again because I miss it. So that's pretty much it for the skincare recommendations. I'm really consistent with my skincare. I don't really go out and try too many things because if I find what works for me, I try not to deviate too much from it. So I'm pretty loyal to my skincare. Maybe this counts as skincare. Is a set of 3 of their sunscreens. You get the spray one, which I have in the car. I don't have with me right now. I always recommend you having sunscreen in your car, because if you're on the go and you need to reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours, then you either want it inside your purse or in your car. In my case, I have it in the car because as I'm driving and the hand is on the wheel, you really want to protect that skin. So on this set, I have the Play and then the Unseen sunscreen. I really like this formulation. It goes on completely clear and is like a grippy kind of like poreless primer. It's great. It has SPF 40 and I absolutely love it for under makeup. I also wanted to have a second sunscreen for when I'm not wearing makeup. A good way to test out a new product would be in their mini form, and this one comes in the set. What I can say about this one is that it says it's non-comedogenic. It's not very mattifying. Like the Unseen sunscreen doesn't really look glowy on the skin. This one looks like you did put a lotion on your face, so you would definitely not be mattified with this. But when I'm not wearing makeup, I find this fine. Yeah, I've been testing it out. You can also use it in your body or in your hands. So if you buy this set, you can just leave this one in the car for your hands. Overall, try-in sets right now during the holidays are great for gifts or just to try different products from the brand to kind of see what you like. Onto makeup products. I'm gonna start off with this brow product that I'm wearing on right now. It's the Patrick Ta Major Brow Lamination Gel, and this sets like a hairspray or like a gel. And I do like it, but there's a little bit of a learning curve with it. It sets really fast. it really leaves your brows really set in place. It's clear. I'm not sure if he has tinted versions, but this one's clear. And overall, I really like his brand. I feel like he has a lot of cool stuff. This brow product I really enjoy. The lipstick that I'm wearing right now is from him as well. It's like a matte lipstick, but it's not super drying. I've been using it for years now, and it is called That's Why She's Late. It's a really good, cool toned red. It looks more warm in camera. It really is a lot more cool toned in real life. It's like a true red. It probably looks great on everybody. Since the brand is a little bit more on the expensive side, this sale is a great moment to just take advantage of Patrick Ta and other luxury brands overall. Another product that I've been using nonstop is the Ilia Mascara. In the beginning, I feel like a lot of mascaras are a little bit too wet and you don't really get the true effect. So after a couple of times wearing it, I really like it. I think it's my new go-to. I have this mini version right now, but I'm gonna repurchase the full version, of course. It gives you like volumized lashes and dark lashes, but not an overboard. I don't feel like they look spidery or clumpy, unless you add a lot of it. But I really do feel like it's the perfect mascara for an everyday look. I used to really like the one from Marc Jacobs, but Marc Jacobs just doesn't exist anymore. Well, Marc Jacobs Beauty, of course. But yeah, it doesn't exist anymore. So I have to move on and try other mascaras. And this one so far I've been loving out of the clean beauty brands. This one for me would probably be the best volumizing mascara. So I recently recorded a video of my favorites, but I thought this video was a little bit more relevant and important right now because it has a little bit of a time frame. So maybe I won't upload, but I honestly, this dry shampoo I have loved. This one is just great. It smells good. It doesn't have like a strong scent. If you've tried this brand before, I feel like most of their stuff kind of smells the same. I've been loving it. And honestly, their shampoo as well, if you're looking for clean shampoo, I feel like out of the clean beauty brands that I've tried for hair care, that one really makes my hair look and feel clean. Okay, so I think those are my top picks for the Sephora sale. So I'm gonna hop onto my Sephora cart right now and I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm planning on getting. So Tower 28 came out with a tinted SPF that claims to be good for oily skin and it claims to have a natural finish that is good for acne. I usually don't trust products that just have SPF mixed with a tint because they're usually super greasy. I mean, Tower 28's blushes are pretty greasy and that's just something that I don't like. Like, I don't like, my skin is so oily, I don't like to add more oiliness to it or more greasiness to it. It just looks cakey to me. That being said, this one looks promising, so I'm really looking forward to trying it on oily acne-prone skin and just giving out my thoughts. So that's pretty much why I have it there on my list. And then we have the Lawless Conceal the Deal Longwear Full Coverage Foundation. I don't know about this one. I really had this one there for a while. I'm just so scared about this product. I read a couple of reviews. They're claiming to be like liquid chalk, which I understand if you're really dry, you probably do find foundations like this to be liquid chalk. But I kind of want something a little bit more mattifying than just a regular skin tint. This one says is hydrating. I don't know. It has some bold claims. So I'm intrigued. But at the same time, I'm also really intrigued about the Soft Matte Complete Foundation by NARS. This is not a new product, but for some reason it's been popping up a lot on my social media channels. So I really want to try it. I've heard a lot of great things. I've seen it in action and it looks really good. I have really oily skin with texture, you know, acne scars and just acne in general. And I might just get it on this sale with the Soft Matte Complete Concealer. I've been using the Ilia one, but it's not enough coverage for when I'm on camera or when I'm doing anything that requires a little bit more coverage. And yeah, I've heard really good things about this one as well. And maybe doing a review. maybe doing a review on those two products from NARS. Now we're moving on to Rose Inc. I've been wanting to try Rose Inc, but it's kind of also been in that Sephora bag for a while because there's something about it that doesn't really convince me 100%. I've seen demos of the concealer and it's super full coverage, like insane amount of coverage. I've been wanting to try the blush. It says dewy, so I'm a little bit scared that it's gonna be like the Tower 28 one, which is like really, really dewy. So I'm a little bit skeptical there, but I really do love that the packaging is reusable and sustainable. Somebody said it looked like a toilet seat. Was it Alana? I'm not sure. I guess it kind of looks like a toilet seat, but a cute one. So those are the products that I would love to get and that I would recommend. I'm just gonna keep this one really nice, quick and simple. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.